the lane!
I'm in my lane.
This lane goes that way. This lane goes that way. You're in the wrong lane.
No, I'm not.
You were in the wrong lane.
Hey, what the heck? He ran the light.
You're on the wrong side. You're on the wrong side of the road. Can I get an apology for that, please?
I didn't see you at all.
That's a straight lane, not a left lane.
I know, I realized that every
What's your name?
My name's Daniel.
Okay, see you in court.
Ooh, fuck, car turned over.
Oh, I don't believe that. Man, I just barely saved the bike from, or from me, from crashing. I mean, why the hell was he completely in my lane?
Where's the motorcycles? Can you call 911?
No, 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 no.
You okay? Thanks for that pass, jackass. Hey. Dude, the camera right here. Try it. Try it. Got your license plate. Right here. Right here. Oh, Jesus. But where are you trying to go? There's a car right here. There's a car right here. I don't even know where you're going.
It's a one-way street, dude. One way. It's a one-way. What? You're gonna kill somebody, dude. One way. He's on the phone though.
Is he? Beep
Yeah.
him. Beep him.
Yeah, he's on the phone.
What, with kids?
Yeah. Oh yeah, look, now he's put the phone down, look. Twat. Oh, did he just try and swerve and hit you? Little dickhead. What a little dickhead. Is he seriously getting out of his car?
You're on the phone, what? What am I doing? 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 Why are you swerving trying to hit me? What do you mean what am I doing? I'm driving. I'm riding. I'm riding. I've got your number plate, yeah?
What a dickhead.
PK65XYA. Motherfucker.
What a dickhead.
Got my car in the kid, but f off.
What you doing?
I took the road narrow ran over.
Get out, mother. Get out. Hey, you tried to hit me on camera.
You took the road. Hey man.
Yeah. What you gonna do? Don't talk.
Road too narrow.
Don't talk.
Get your camera.
You.
Yeah, look at your camera.
Don't try to hit nobody, you dumb. Hey, it'll be worse on you next time. I promise you.
Please do.
Lack du mir! Alter! Geil, du hast noch Alter, Gott! Der letzte, der irgendwie schmerzt ist. Ja, hopp nicht drücken.